Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood and Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. Got a little project today. Went and plugged in the grinder. It turned on and then stopped. Don't know why, but we're gonna take a look. Could be a switch, could be a cord, could be brushes, or could just be toast. Let's pull it apart and find out. That doesn't seem to be unscrewing. Oh well. Torx T20 maybe? No, T25. Oh, in case you're wondering, this is a rigid model R1006, 8 amp, 11,000 RPM. Have to admit, this is one of my favorite grinders. This is the one I keep the flap wheel on. That's probably why it's worn out, because it's probably my most used angle grinder. It's seen a lot of use since I bought it. The rear bearing seems to be good. It's actually got a bearing. Brushes look good. Another Torx, but it's a different size. I did notice the cord looks damaged right here, so we'll take a look at that. Let's see if we have continuity in the cord. Start with the simple, move on to the more difficult. Okay, our switch seems to be working. Our cord seems to be working. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that brush, that's for sure. So we tested continuity in the cord. We tested continuity in the brushes, or yeah, in the switch. The switch works. We'll put the brushes back in here. We're going to take the plastic connectors off, maybe. Yeah, not with those. Those tips are bent out a little bit. I don't see a brand on them, but I'm sure they came from Sears or Ace or something like that. Been around for 30 years. switch still works. Strain relief back in. Well, no smoke, so that's a good sign. Okay, all ready to go back to work. So there we go, guys. A little bit of simple troubleshooting. Found the problem, got it fixed, put the tool back to use. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go down there and hit that subscribe button. And we'll catch you in the next one. Oh, don't forget thumbs up.